Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm playing Toca Boca. It's offline games and I'm bored because I'm right there and then I'm too bored with my baby brother. So, okay, never mind guys. So if you're bored and rainy day, make sure you download offline games like this, Toca Boca. Why let me out with it? So guys, the comments, like and share. So like guys, bye. Remember, subscribe to the channel and click the big like and remember subscribe with the big bell by the way. So say bye baby children. So bye bye. But download offline games or online games. Online games for not internet. That's internet. So just buy offline games. So bye bye. I love you. Have a nice day, guys.